Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. This is Christina from Pip Supply, and today I'm going to show you guys how to make these cute knotted headbands. This is a new product that we're going to be offering in the shop, and I'll link them below. They are DIY knotted headband kits. So basically what you'll get is this strip of fabric with a pattern on it. You can see the seam in the back where it kind of meets together. So you're going to get this, and then you will also receive a headband. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add your fabric to your headband. Okay, so to get started, you're going to need the strip of fabric, and we will have it already ready to go for you guys. And then you're going to need your headband. And what you're going to do is you're going to flip it on the back side, so the side that has your seam, and you're going to crisscross it. And there's a few different ways you can tie it onto your headband. So I'm going to show you this way, and then I'll show you another way in a second. So you're going to crisscross it, and you're going to tuck your right side underneath the left side, and you're just going to pull it, okay? And this is going to be what you're going to use to slide into your headband. So you can do it like this, and you just want to make sure that your fabric is even on both sides. And then when you do it this way, you want to make sure that your bow strip or the end of your headband fabric is facing the seam down toward the headband, okay? Same thing on this side. You're going to want to just make sure that it's facing down, okay? So you can do it that way, or another way, you can lay your fabric out and then just put your headband down on it, and you can just knot it directly onto there. So same thing, you would cross it over. So we're going to cross it this way, and then you're just going to tuck it under like you're tying a knot. And you're going to want to make sure, same thing, that your seam is facing down on both sides. And then you're just going to want to make sure that they're even. Okay, so both ends are even. And then you just gently pull. And this would be the same concept. You would do this for either way. So if you wanted to knot it before or knot it after, okay? And you're just gonna make sure it's in the center of your headband. You can kind of see that you wanna move it over to make sure it's exactly centered. And then once you have it centered and exactly where you want it, you just wanna measure and make sure that your ends are meeting to the end of the headband. So this one's a little bit off, so I'm just gonna give it a little tug and pull a little more of the fabric onto this side. So that one's good. And then same thing with this side, make sure that your seam is facing down. Make sure that there's no folds, everything's kind of flat. Okay, and then same thing, you just wanna make sure that it is reaching the end. And then what you're gonna do next, once you have that ready to go, just kind of give it a little tug, make sure everything is even. And then you're gonna grab your glue gun. These are really simple to make, guys. And we're gonna give you guys lots of pattern options to choose from. So you're just gonna put a little bit of the glue right under where that knot is, and that's kind of where you're gonna wanna start. Okay, so once it's glued down, just once more, just check to make sure you're even. And then as you glue, you just want to gently pull on your fabric so you don't lose any of that length to your glue, okay? And then you just glue all the way down and kind of spread it out with the tip of your glue gun. And we got a nice even end so the edges meet up nicely, and then you just kind of hold it down. Okay, and now we're gonna go to this side and do the same exact thing. We don't want to lose any of that length, so you're just gonna gently tug it a little bit, and same thing, pull up. You're gonna get right under that knot, okay? So right under the knot, and you're gonna wanna hold that and just kind of gently give it a little tug so you don't lose any of your length to the end. And same thing, we're just gonna repeat this and glue it all the way down. I'm just kind of flattening out my glue so it doesn't make your headband feel like bumpy, but it feels nice and smooth. And then get that on there, and we'll go right to the end. And I'm just gently tugging so I get right to the end of my headband. and then just hold it all down, and you got a cute little headband, a cute knotted headband, and it's all ready to go. So be sure to check out the shop. These will be available starting on May 10th. We're gonna have these cute little headband kits. So here's just a few. We're gonna have lots of different pattern options, and we'll keep adding them. So be sure to check us out.